Hello viewers, today I'll be talking about mastering solfeges on the key of C. As you can see, this is a keyboard and I have rightly labeled it here. These are the black keys shaded up with their names and the keys, and these are the white keys. So this is a full view of the whole thing. If you are just coming across keyboard content, you want to learn keyboard, this diagram best explains how it appears on the keyboard. Like, these are the solfege representations: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. And these are the key representations: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. Alright. Then these are the names of the minors: de, mo, fi, zi, to, de, mo, fi, zi, to. That's just like an extension. Take note, we are considering the key of C. So everything you can see here is basically for key C. Key C. Yes. And a number representation: do is also key C, re is key D, mi is key E on the key of C. Fa is key F, sol is key G, and la is key A, si key B, and then back to do, key C again. Alright, in terms of number nomenclature, you can refer to C as 1 or do as 1, re as 2 on the key of C, mi as 3, and fa as 4. We could proceed to say sol is 5, la is 6, si is 7. There is nothing like 8, and then back to do, which is 1 again. Thank you for watching. This is the Vibe with Peter channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Stay tuned for my next tutorial. You could also drop your questions in the comment section. How do you find this tutorial? Do you understand it? If you don't understand, you could also let me know in the comment sections. So any questions or for further information, you can contact me with the links on my description. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.